Hello and welcome. This is Cara and it's Freebie Friday Day. Yay! Freebie Friday Day. If you are new here, my name is Cara Brandon, and in the last October actually, I started making digital kits, and you can find them on Etsy at CaraBrandonCreations. And I also make YouTube videos, tutorials, and craft with me's and that kind of thing. Thanks for stopping by if you are new, and if you are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate it. Before I show you today's freebie, I just wanted to kind of do a little, I don't know, like a little, hey, by the way, did you know? First thing, let me do this one. Since I did, a year ago, start my Etsy store, and I recently hit 5,000 subbies, I am having a giveaway, which is this journal plus a free kit. And I will have either in an iCard in the top corner or at the end, I will have the video link. So if you haven't yet, you can go check that video out. And to be entered, you want to click in that video, like, subscribe, and write a comment, a question of me, or a suggestion for videos. Anyway, I'll have that linked, like I said, either in an iCard in the corner and maybe both at the end of the video. Okay, the next thing, I have another pile started of test prints. So I have sunflower in here. I have lots of Christmas in here. I have lots of Christmas. I think this might even be Christmas from last year that I found when I was going through my stuff. I have my ocean stuff in here, some gnomes, a little bit of Halloween. So anyway, I have this stack, and if you go to my Etsy store, again, CaraBrandonCreations on Etsy, I have two listings where you can buy the some of the already printed pages, and they're test prints, so the final digital kit probably changed a little bit. Sorry, my pile just slid over. So anyway, those are on my Etsy if you are interested, because I know some people do not have a printer or a color printer, so that's an excellent option. And the last thing before we talk about the freebie, in the Facebook group, Cara Brandon and Friends, we are doing a month-long challenge. We are taking the word Christmas and we are making things that go along with each letter. So far, I've made the ornaments with the letter I, and I did my little Christmas word. I still have quite a few things I need to do. You can combine them, so maybe you want to put ribbons together with music sheets, or however you want to do it. So you can combine them, but you just want to get the word Christmas and the items created. And then you post pictures, and or if you're a YouTuber, make a video of the things that you made. And then at the end of the month, there will be a drawing for a free kit from my shop. Again, that's in Cara Brandon and Friends on Facebook. All right, to get to today's Freebie Friday, I don't know if you saw a few Fridays ago, but I recently purchased a stack. I was trying to find them on my desk, but I don't see them. A stack of trade cards. And I picked out, when I was going through my trade cards, I realized that these probably came in part of a set. This is definitely not the complete set, but apparently back in the day, they would, trade these and put them in their scrapbooks. I'm going to guess that the complete set would probably be about 12. But anyway, when I was going through, I'm like, oh wow, I have 4 of the set. How fun. So I thought it would be fun to make a little digital using these today. So this one has a rose. Don't know. Primavera de Chene. I don't know what flower that is, but This one's a rose, and then I'm gonna assume that the lilas in English would be lilacs, maybe? I don't know. But I thought they were really fun. So I scanned them, I cleaned them up a little bit, and here is the freebie. So here they are. I did leave, you know, a little bit of scuffs and stuff because I think that kind of adds to the vintage quality, but I did brighten them up. And then I took some of the flowers, like these three, and I created little clusters and fussy cut flowers with the pieces of the cards. So then you can fussy cut these and either add them to these cards or make a cluster and add them somewhere else. You can find the freebie again at Cara Brandon and Friends on Facebook. So let me show you my gratitude journal. Let's see, I wanted to show you where I used, here we go. So for day 9, the 9th, I used one of the cards and I did my journaling on the back. It's not a fall flower per se, but I feel like it still worked. And then I used some of the fussy cuts and just added them at the bottom of my journaling there. And then the other ones I haven't used. And so far, I didn't really make anything with them. I just stuck them in my little pocket here with my other journaling cards so that throughout the rest of the month, I can pull them out and use them in my journaling. I'm really loving having these stickers. I've been adding them on either the journaling cards or the page of the date. So like this one, it's on the back of the card that I journaled on. I'm really liking that. This one I don't think I added, and it looks like I need to glue those back down. All right, so that's where, yeah, so caught up on today's the 12th, so I've caught up on my journaling, and I really do want to print out some pictures. I just haven't done that yet. Gotta get that done so I can add pictures to my journal. All right, so again, here's the freebie. I would love if you joined us with the November challenge as well. And lastly, make sure you go on over and enter to win the freebie, the free journal and kit. All right, that's all for today. I will see you very soon in the next video, and I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.